Ukucekelwa phansi kwengqalazinda, ukungabi nagqozi kwezisebenzi nokwebiwa kowela kusohlwini lwezinto ezenza lesikhungo sakwa Eskom singasebenzi ngendlela efanele.
This is our worst performing power station. So outside Kusile, where we know that the problems are technical, of a technical nature, well documented. Kusile is at 19% EAF, the energy availability factor, essentially the efficiency of the plant. And here we're sitting at 25%.
uRamohupa uthi njengoba bemagange nje bezama ngayo yonke indlela ukulungisa lengqinamba, kungathi kufika ubusika sisho abalele kuhle kwamazolo inkinga yogesi. Ibamba lesikhulu esikhungweni sogesi ithuthuka lithi zikhona izinhlelo zokuxazulula izingqinamba zalesi sikhungo.
Right now, we've been running less units. So now we've got a plan. Right now we are running 3 out of 6 units. And the 2 units, the 2 out of 3 units that are still down, the 2 they are completed. We are busy returning 1 now, should synchronize or be on load midnight. And the 5th unit will be on load by Saturday. And then the 6th unit is still under the planned maintenance, which will return on the 19th of April.
Untanzi uqhubeka wathi usizo likaNgqongqoshe bebelilangazelele kakhulu njengoba bezama ukulungisa lenkinga. Umesuke ethuthuka uNgqongqoshe uzobhekisa amabombe lithabo ukuyobheka ukuthi zimi kanjani izinto khona.